So, tignan natin ngayon guys kung ano yung mga AI or mga website na nag-offer ng mga convenient na mga task. Ito nga yung mga bagong AI tools. So, ito yung una is presentation AI.
Because of tools like presentations.ai, which you can try for free. How it works is you type in your topic,
So, madali lang. Type mo lang yung topic dito. Sabi nga niya.
then choose the language and the number of slides. Then provide it with information that you want to include via PDF or
So, provide lang information kung ano ang dapat mong ipagawa.
URL, and then hit submit. Before preparing full presentation, it will present you with each slide's content basically like a plan, so you can adjust things beforehand. And once you're happy with it, just click the button and boom, your slides are done, just like that.
Ayan o. Instant yung PowerPoint. I-type mo lang yung mga gusto mong ipagawa sa slides sa presentation.ai.
You can still edit them however you want and select different templates and themes. Can you
Yun nga, pwede mo pang edit nga.
imagine how much time it just saved me? Well, more than enough for you to be convinced and try it out for yourself.
Presentation.ai. Search natin. Presentation.ai. So, ito yung website niya, di ba? Free. Try natin. Ayan, kailangan pumasok. Ayoko na pumasok dyan kasi